mama kwa sonko mbra Badwam Ahosepe jumezido. Hey. And you made a video now about shoulder video now about it's more on the show. We may head to the streaming platforms. Not yet streaming your video no about papa no was I. It's more on the show. MDK na Shatta Wale on the shoulder your video no about. Eko YouTube baby nya enyo no ho no bo zana kokko share. Video no ye fe papa ma abon ko pe mumbo biom into no for when you as the show honom na adwentie be eh I had the power trumpet better no yade into also na kasa ye version or that to do say ne version na yembra ai hey brother na say that data. And you want to watch them? And what's this? Anyways, watch him out. What a world best trumpeter. Ned and I brown. I don't know say what town man to know. On again, aye. You move on. Now say Morotia and some of that. Since you're on command, you is the social media no papa artist will leave on record labels. Especially say Mezroba down pa. After Dope Nation, if free links, one chart, and I'm using was one nature. The Mukofabian and another was a who beef and mention that anti beef in the crassy. Dope Nation actually fantastic. But does it amount to one bay. But in any case, no, Richie, or the links, I don't know. What can send me? I hear papa, I think that you know, yata. Na Obi Bessie, Padijari announced Yasa. Richie na yamba.
Are you able to get a sense of, okay, this artist may be leaving? Did you get any signals, any signs?
I think the sense that I got eventually was that every artist has to leave. Mm-hmm. It's not, will they be leaving? They have to leave. Like, let's be honest, even marriages end 50% in divorce, mm-hmm. and the other 50% end in death. So every relationship comes to an end. Mm-hmm. So you don't have to hold on to an artist. It's a beautiful ride when you and the artist have a long relationship. But when it's time for the artist to do their own thing, it's time for them to do their own.
Are you able to get a sense of, okay, this artist?
Okay, you know, arguments be any baby abum, which eventually, you know, that artist be a free new record label, what's on or your growth, or your yin, what's that many be a quachum and one fat, brother, when I do win you. Into no sa Dope Nation no zinkan kwayo sa kwam using no kwayo sa wan no wo na na so onye necessary ni nyinara no obi akọ no asama anyen into no yantuedo say yaretuedo a Rocky Dawuni Ghanaian na oye reggae nyom na say ye Grammy awards na pa na nimpa potentially obotum wajibi amaye on because 4 times in the one nomination from the Grammys, just the award and so yet, but you're about home pay. Now, or chamber, say, yes, Ghana had in Nakasana, and can't not it. So be pedots and your massy, pana, Jodoba Ghana, and who could them Ghanaian, a who could them a 4 a brochu Naza, why you know Nazin Nano, Ghana had no baby was seeing. Yen say Rocky down.
Yes,
I even heard that maybe Rita Marley used to live in Ghana.
Yes. You know, the thing about Ghana is that it's also a historic thing, you know. Ghana was the first African black country to be independent post-colonization. So Ghana became kind of the hub of African liberation, you know, and Ghana also became like the first place that people from the diaspora who wanted to experience an African country that all of a sudden was free and was formulating the concept of a new African identity that was based upon the newfound freedom and the diaspora. Ghana represented that place. So it also became attractive to early, like, from the Martin Luther Kings to the Malcolm X's, all these forward-thinking writers out there, and then also musicians. You know, so musicians also started seeing it as the hub too for music of liberation. Fela Kuti spent a lot of his time in Ghana.
Okay, into no rocky that wuni enyen ochema brofono nyibwe parts Africa hade na nyibwe Ghana in Africa nyina no yenwo boy first tino no bia pedo oye nwom papa ajoro ba Ghana oba touch base bobo sua nyama akura na de bia means no chada ya nwom na ya wa no I take high life music no high life music na ya to atwe no a conversation for another day. Rocky Dawuni, big ups to you. Na American na me no new song bi. Ono nyo cham kwame what come or vibe nyum no kakra ma yente nyum no na yamra.
I got a song, I got a song, I got a song, I wanna play it for you. Boom like a bomb, from head to toe. I got a song, I wanna sing it for you. Wherever you are, who knows? You will be blowing in the atmosphere wherever you are. I know you will be throwing your hands up in the air. Yeah, people, you know, are they here with Ochiame Kwame right now?
Song.
Yeah.
He's got a song. He's got a song that's blowing my mind.
Ochiame Kwame, you're a very creative guy. Instead of rocking that one in the new song, and then I got a song, but was not no streaming platforms, no streaming. Maybe a new crana, Obama Waji Grammy, no, is a man, you may come up papa, or Chima, onye Bob Marley, na Rita Marley, one ba, Sidala, no, the minimum. Sino, Obama was streaming, you know, Enfa Mano. Na, Yantuya do na, come chacha, Chima, Dam to Wabodo, Gunsuneni, Dachi, be Musabaka, the Masamano, another menu, where you may miss your phone. The piano say Hazana or Yabodo na year 2 gwensu no because that chi bia e basa na baba sister on the base ya pa becha na say hey osho tutu I would say na yembra.
So if you are not going to invest in, I'll come to my other panel or discussions, but what I'm asking is, since you have not invested in anyone, had anyone invested in you? Had any woman bought anything expensive for you?
Me pacho Debbie.
No woman. No woman has ever filled your tank. Say, oh, Charlie, my fill your tank amount.
Oh, say, why you be a one ni brofu what wash me?
No, see any brofu. You know some
we need relationship.
But you don't know Kasana me pesa. What's it really?
IGP.
Man, come up with soon.
We need new relationship.
Nadia now to was can see.
That's a brofu there. Yeah, on check for brofu. So too many cat.
Say boko 1-1.
Thank you. 1-1. It wouldn't need any new relationship. Mas then na say. Free na kumam na o say me tobi bi ama ene yesa me kwa buru chele nkrofo to ade man
Right.
ene ya me kwa buru chele bi to ko to tompa boa to.
No, but all I'm trying to ask is that you mean you've never been in any girlfriend-boyfriend relationship?
That be your girlfriend emo phone we ya oba double na ya na articulator.
No, then.
That be oba woni ni problem oba double aka.
Why must you have problems with it?
And the problem there, it will be beer, it will be. But when in your program, or my 1 CD, or about double 9 and a bay 10 CD and 20 CD. So, me no me want to come chacha. I don't like say, or ba say, one in war champion, me yewe yama, Debbie, men's now. It's me no the American be a medemic cassa ben and say, me to one, men quiet investment, and fair more basa me the new school. Ana say me di ni suya djuma ana say matam 100,000 say me de koma oba say fa ko handan
So for whom chacha in mini mesiafa we sheshe won ze but also nye nyina na yet the matter sa bisafo ni bi mo na ye charge ye budget no back ye expect anything in return ye charge papa nti also e bi mo me sheshe won na wa mo the experience no at asantino awo oye ai achire wasema yati nyaso yati agina bro membre na yembre ba ansa na mokọ no mo video of the day ata and ya wode mo fama no work bi no schools ni bi ho no ma wala mo fama wo she mufti na za schools ni bi ho no so agide she uniform bi so ho no wala cost obi na style and pay mo fama no wor mo kwan next week so mate bi no so obo mo kwan but awo ma yenhwe Nana Akufo-Addo no your wife Rebecca. Aye. Yeah, but video na ready. Aha, it's no way Nana Akufo-Addo fellow Ghanaians on any beautiful Rebecca and a what to Santia work on. Come na glasses no the mammy not tay and had a teacher no the glasses nation. It's kind of for. I had a Miss Ahosepe no busy best season no mammy boats mother fancy door president for Brothers and Sisters Association, but one child before me if you don't come and care the sika babado ya draw crown but suddenly I draw closer account no but wasn't *281# na I select option 4. Mamisa Mubabium *281# select option 4. Na tugum because one number no one do be no na what chance so in the butumeze win on so in and pay on che biara pensen we be sana ya draw kor o wadu ntino yes always ukra na no congratulations obi so be sana we ukra aka ho ta ha na mize be si madam hon mo so mo ni nyina ase Richmond or no producer OPD producer papa won nyina madam hon ase Mark Weber director Frank Anoya sound say yeshe camera kuku dam for waja camera ho pa za Nati Bongo one Nati Bongo me na say papa na man Thomas also our association ho so ogina one side and that day Eugene no chu menu maso do nyame adoma e besana yeshia